Perfect.
Babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So today, y'all, I'm gonna give you guys some of my favorite wash and go combos. I know a lot of people ask me, like, what's your favorite wash and go combos? And I have a few different favorite ones. It all depends on what you're looking for, but I want to give you guys some of my favorites today. If I have any reviews using these products, I will leave it down in the description box or put it up in the cards for you. So first, we're going to talk about this particular wash and go, which is from my last video. If you saw my last video, that was day 1 of this wash and go. This is day 4 of this wash and go, and it became one of my favorites really quick, even though it does have some drawbacks. If you saw that last wash and go, the wash and go was like super duper shiny and super duper defined, but it was super duper sticky too. So let me show you guys what I used. I used the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate Leave-In. That was my first time using this leave-in, and I actually really like it. I like it for the shine. I like it for the moisture. This is something that you use under heavy drying gels because this will eliminate the crunch completely. I use this with the Cheers Gelato. Now, I was told this gives you a really nice hold, gives you something kind of like a wet line type of hold. Nice, good crunch. I love me a good crunch. But when I put these together, it softened that thing up. And I mean, this hair is hella soft. Now, when I first did that wash and go, like I said, it was hella sticky because these are two sticky products. Like, together, they give you hella stickiness. And now that I'm on day 4, it's not so sticky. And the results are just bomb. Like, I love the volume that I have. I like that it's got definition. It's got frizz, still some shine. And I'm just really just here for this whole movement. And I was surprised that I was going to like it because it was so sticky. And I was like, I don't know if this is going to work. But as the days went on and it started to swell and give me some frizz definition and still with the moisture hella soft, like, I like it. So these two together are a good combo for me. However, you just cannot be as heavy-handed. Now, let's just go on and get my boo out the way, which is Wetline. Wetline goes with anything. I have never used a leave-in with Wetline and it flaked on me. I absolutely love Wetline. I have used it with several different leave-ins. No flaking at all. For the affordability, the hold, the shine, everything that I get with this Wetline for such a low cost and so much product, this will forever be a favorite for me for a wash and go. Recently, I did a review on the Big Papa Gel from the Dew, and I was completely blown away because I have never done a wash and go without a leave-in until I used this. When I used this gel for the wash and go, I was just like, how did I get this definition, this moisture, this softness, this shine, and all of this stuff just with this one product? I was absolutely blown away. A lot of people were asking me if I tried it with the mousse. I have not tried it with the mousse, and I will not try it with the mousse because I'm not a fan of the mousse. But this gel alone did it for me, and I absolutely love this as a one product wash and go, which is kind of like I said in the video, unheard of for a lot of us type 4s. Like, we don't put a gel on without a leave-in, so this was definitely bomb for a just one product wash and go. The Curl Maker from Camille Rose is one of my favorite gels. This is one of the most moisturizing gels out there. Put it with a moisturizing leave-in like the Curl Love that I always pair with this, you're gonna get a nice soft moisturized wash and go. I can even see people doing twist outs with this because it's so moisturizing. Like, your hair will still be soft, no crunch or anything like that, but still have hold and shine and moisture. So I always pair this with the Curl Love, which I'm out of. I will be repurchasing, but those two are a match made in heaven. This is a great wash and go combo. Another moisturizing gel is the Curly Magic from Uncle Funky's Daughter, and I always pair it with the Good Hair leave-in. These two will give you a great wash and go with moisture, shine, definition, all of that. This is a moisturizing gel, so it's not going to give you a crunchy hold. It's going to give you all the looks of a crunchy hold, but still like moisture. Your hair is going to be really, really soft still, like no crunch. And that's what I love about this and the Camille Rose Curl Maker. So these two together, amazing wash and go. Try it out. Now on to Aloe Naturals. Of course, y'all know that the lemongrass leave-in is one of my favorites, but I paired the lemongrass leave-in with the Dulce Hydrating Curl Lotion and top it off with the Aloe Berry gel. This gel is great. It gives me moisture, it gives me hold, it gives me slip, it gives you a nice crunch to the, which I love, because of course a crunch makes me know that my hair is going to last throughout the week. But this is a great gel for moisture, definition, shine, and hold as well. If you want that crunch, this will give it to you, and it will soften up throughout the week, and your hair will be just bomb. Another one of my favorite combos is the Quench from Aunt Jackie's. If you guys saw my review on this took me by surprise. When I put it in my hair, I was like, this watery thing ain't about to do nothing. But girl, I put it on, left it on my hair. My hair was juicy and moisturized and supple, and I just really liked this as leave-in. I was hella surprised, but I shouldn't have been surprised. A lot of lightweight leave-ins penetrate into my strands so well, and then I'm able to seal in the moisture with a good cream. I went in with this buttercream from Aunt Jackie's and topped it off with this ice curls from Aunt Jackie's as well. This is a nice gel. This gel is bomb because it gives me a nice hold and nice shine. So as long as you have nice moisturizing products up under this, like the Quench and the buttercream, your curls will come out nice, pop and defined, shiny, and this is just a great gel. Another really super affordable combo is the African Pride Spray Leave-In, which I also like to use as a curl refresher for my wash and goes, and pair that with the gel and cream from African Pride. So this is like the gel and the cream already mixed together for you, so it makes the process a lot easier. Now I'm heavy-handed, so I kind of go through like at least over half to all of this container for a wash and go, but even with me doing that, I don't get flakes, so I do like that. It's $5, so it's not a big deal. You can have a lot of these in your stash, and it just gives me nice curl definition, moisture, hold, and I got a really poppin' wash and go when I use this. I don't know what it is about this Believe In from Diva Curl. When you use this on soaking wet hair, it's called the Believe In Miracle Curl Plumper, and for some reason it really does plump your curls. You use it on soaking wet hair and it does make your hair feel like it's more plumped and thicker. I don't know what it is about it, but pairing it with this Super Stretch Curl Elongator from Diva Curl, this is just an amazing wash and go combo. Now this doesn't really have holes, so I do have to put the wet line on top of it. These two products together will give you the moisture and the shine that you need, and the wet line will give you the hold, or whatever gel you like to put on top of it will give you the hold, but this will give you the moisture, especially if you're using a drying gel. So those are some of my favorite wash and go combos right now. If you have any wash and go combos that you love, please leave them down in the comments for all of us to try them and enjoy them. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and of course I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.